Withdrawing money from your Shopify account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer of funds. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by visiting the Shopify website and entering your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Payments. In the Settings menu, find and click on Payment. This section contains all the payment options and transaction details related to your store. Step 4. Choose Payouts. Look for the Payouts option within the Payments section. Here, you can view your available balance and recent transactions. Step 5. Initiate Withdrawal. Click on the Transfer Funds or Withdraw button, depending on your interface. Follow the prompts to enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. After completing these steps, your funds will be processed and transferred to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank account for the deposit and allow some time for processing.